Have you ever heard of ControlNet? Want to transform your logo to an incredible eye-catching design? Using this amazing tool, you can transform your simple logo to this in just a couple of minutes. Fully automated by AI. And best of all, no professional design skills required. If you can navigate a small edit in Microsoft Paint, you should be all good. Well, Gibson showed us how incredibly good the results can end up. We will now show you, step by step, how to do this yourself. And, at the end of this video, we will also show you how you can add all your logo variations in a GIF carousel. So, stay tuned. First, find your logo, or a known logo like, for example, Nike. Make sure that the logo is simple and in black and white for best results. Open your logo in Microsoft Paint. We want to add some space around the logo for the AI to generate a more compelling output. Mark your logo with the Select tool. Cut the selected part with Ctrl+X. Extend the image by dragging the dot in the down right corner. Then paste your logo again by pressing Ctrl+V on your keyboard. Move it to the center of the image. Use the color picker to find the color you need to fill the rest of the extended parts with. Black in this example. You should now have something similar to this, and the logo is now ready to be transformed through ControlNet. Head over to the space at HuggingFace. You can find the link in the description. Click and browse, or just drag your image over from your computer to the web page. Now it is time to write the prompt. This is a description of what you want the output image to be like. We start with Arial plus clear seawater plus waves. Just leave the advanced options as it is and press the Run button. Make yourself a coffee or go to the toilet while ControlNet starts generating your customized logo. Wait for the countdown time to elapse. This may take a couple of minutes, depending on your line in the queue. When timer is finished, you will end up with something like this. Pretty amazing result. Next, we are prompting Arial plus rainforest. We follow the same procedure, and the result is of course, our logo in a rainforest. Next one is Arial plus clear seawater. We're hitting the Run button again, and if you're getting this error message about the application being busy, just keep trying. You will eventually get into the queue. There, our logo in some clear seawater. Now we want to have our logo surrounded by an inferno, so we type in Arial plus inferno. And some seconds later, inferno it is. And last, but not least, we want our logo in the snow. Type Arial plus snow and wait for the magic to happen one last time. There we have it. Now we want to put all our images in a GIF carousel, so head over to ezgif.com. Choose their GIF-maker and browse and upload your images. Next, click on the blue button. If you want, you can customize some of the settings and add effects, but for now, we leave them as default and press Make a GIF. Our unique GIF is now ready, but I think the change between each image is a bit too fast. So, we're adjusting the delay time a bit, from 20 to 60. Now you see that the flow between each transition is much better. We've now created some amazing looking logos, only by using some epic skills in Microsoft Paint and let artificial intelligence do the rest. If you want to skip the waiting time and make images with better resolution, just follow the guide in our description to install ControlNet on your own computer. And if you haven't already, check out our top 10 AI tools which can transform beginners into professionals in no time. So, if you found this video helpful, please help us by subscribing to our channel. More AI content is about to come.